Hey, what's good, guys? I'm Ragujan. Let's read the question set 50. After installing the operating system on the computer, the software was reinstalled. All previous data needs to be restored in the database. To do this, use the previously created running SCH backup file. So now we need to write a backup query. Sorry, we need to restore the backup file. To so to do that, we need to write the restore query. So this is our database. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change this uh, the student ID 6th gender value to male, and I'm going to say so this would be our previous one. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to restore the previous the the backup. So the backup has the gender as female. So whenever we restore the database, this would be changed to female. So that's what I wanted to say. So to do that, we need to write say mysql uroot password and the database name Kannadhasan sch db. Yeah, sch db and lesser than sign, and after that we have to give the file path. So this is the path, and following that we have to mention which is the file name, the runner beamer sch db backup, runner beamer sch db backup. And okay, so now we can proceed, and it will ask for okay, what is the problem? Cannot find. Oh yeah, I need to give sql the file type. Okay, now we have to enter the password. Okay, I think the process has been started. uh, let's refresh. Run ch student table, and you guys can see the data, the gender value has been changed to female. So the previous so the data has been restored. So yeah, so that's how it goes. So that's the answer for question 50, uh, the question number 50. So I think that's all for the video series. Thank you for watching